Snapping 1, 2. It's you in my eye.
First you need 2 clips like this. I will put the link where to get this clip in my description box. Now add new project. Then add the video clip with 8.0 seconds duration. It's below 8.0 seconds duration, so I slow the speed so that I can adjust it to 8.0 seconds. Now create a new project. Then add the video clip with 5.0 seconds. Now add ink splash overlay. You can get this in my shorts videos. Adjust the clip, then split and delete the excess. Export it. Go back to our first project. Put this line on the dot between 002 and 004. Then add the clip we exported earlier as an overlay. Go to Chroma key to remove the white background. Put the color picker at the white background, then adjust the intensity and shadow. Put and adjust the overlay like this. Add audio we're going to use. Now add flash effect. Add white clip, splice, overlay. Then add animation, out fade out. Now add black clip for fade out effect. Add animation and fade it. Now add the lyrics overlay that you can get from my shorts videos. Splice, filter, Add animation out. Fade out. Now we're done. Thank you for watching.
Snapping 1, 2, where are